Hey, y'all.
Not with all your cussing in it, you can't. Don't be cussing.
I ain't gonna you don't need no sound.
Hey, real shit, we can sell this for blue.
Look at the people over there, they made it. They're gonna be here soon too.
I'm gonna try to save somebody.
Are y'all okay? Where they at? Hey! Hey! Are you okay? Hey! Is everybody okay? Well, fuck you then. Did he just try to get smart with me, motherfucker?
Hey, back up, that shit gonna blow up. That shit is gonna blow up. It's about to blow up, I swear to God.
Live on News 9.
Bitch, that's gonna blow up.
I want to see it.
It's gonna blow up. Come again, more murder, more murder, murder. Back up!
Fire!
Stupid ass motherfuckers.
Yeah, if it blows, you can.
How many are there? What did
Johnny,
somebody
that
pull?
lady.
There's 3 people. Did somebody
The
pull
money shot
over?
right here.
The gas can't takes.
Ooh, I told you. I told you. I told you.
Look
Here
at
you go.
Guap. Did
Here
you
go.
see Guap?
Here you go, scary ass. Wow.
No, I want to record Guap, dude. His ass is hilarious.
Hey, man. get on the
Look at
job.
Joe.
Your ass on the job.
These guys is scared.
Look, police ain't even here yet. All these police around here, they ain't here
The
yet.
gas can's back there, y'all. Come on now.
I don't give a fuck.
The gas can's all the way back there. But something could happen. No, that's it on the side, actually. I'm lying. I'm a liar.
That bitch about to
It
pop.
is. Look, you can see the fire hitting it. Do you see the fire on it right now?
Yeah.
I am scared too.
There you go.
I'm scared like the guys are.
All these police, that motherfucker ain't.
This on Meridian, nigga. Where the police at?
Yeah,
man?
we're on Meridian and at the Days Inn Hotel right now. We can see it's right on the Meridian exit and I-40. And you can see it looks like it's a Imperial Distribution is gonna be mad about it.
Trying to get a YouTube channel.
I already got one, honey. What do you mean? My handle is @Tatiana DZ91. Check.
Open that truck.
Here you go. Here you go. We should go with that truck.
Gonna get burned up anyway.
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Kill my car, Guap. Turn my car off. Hey, yeah, I don't want shrapnel hitting my car.
I'm ready. I gotta go. I'm gonna just let my shit sit here and I'm gonna go.
Are we? Oh yeah, is this our cover behind the car turtle?
Hell yeah, bitch. We ain't done. This is some
I'm ready to go.
Hey, what's that shit called? This is NCSI Los Angeles. We need some snacks.
Blow it or what?
No, we need some snacks for this. Hold on.
Look at that smoke going up in the air, everybody.
Snacks for this kind of shit.
Why? Somebody do Facebook Live. Facebook Live, somebody.
Okay.
I don't do Facebook like that.
What's your Facebook Live? That was a situation. That's